Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the procedure on what you should be doing if you've forgotten your UOB credit card PIN. So in order to do it first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. To begin with, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing, you want to go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in uob.com and open up the first link that appears. So right on this page, you want to go ahead and press the login button, after which you'll be able to see the login interface. So here you want to type in your user ID and a PIN and log into your account. After which you want to select the account or a credit card that you wish to that you've forgotten your information, and then you want to tap on reset card PIN if there is any options. If you do not see that option, which means that you'll not be able to do it from the application, so you might have to contact the support team. Next thing, what you want to do is enter the new 6-digit PIN and confirm it, and then enter the digital token code for authentication. And with that, you'll have completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.